So what's up guys, I hope everything is fine with you. Today we are going to be talking about stop motion effect. Will be a very short video. I'm going to talk about how I did it, this sequence, the gear that I've used, the settings and the edit. So the gear, I've used just my phone, okay? You can use any phone, any camera, just need to be able to control all the settings manually. Then I've used a tripod and also two lights will open your photo mode and use the manual settings. Make sure that you lock the focus and lock also the exposure in each frame that you are taking. Take the shots, the frames, one by one with small movements of your subject. I advise you to start with just one subject and then create a more complex scene where you can have different subjects or different parts of your framing that are moving. Another thing, to create like a 10 seconds video, you'll need at least 240 photos. So I imported all the photos, I did some basic adjustments and edit, apply to all the photos, the same edit, and export them as a JPEGs. Then I imported to Final Cut. On Final Cut, you need to change the duration of each photo with the right button and select duration of each image. In this case I use 3 frames a second for each picture, but you can choose wherever rate that you want to. For me the sweet spot in this case on Final Cut is 3 frames per second. After some effects, some dust particles and some film grain, this is the final effect. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below if you have some questions about it. Share with me on all social medias your videos doing stop motion. I'll be glad to see your ideas and your creations. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! One thing, don't forget, leave it a like, a comment and subscribe. Bye!